Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to download images from Instagram for free. Okay, now I'm going to download these images. First step, we go to this website. I'll put the website link in the description below. You just need to open it. Then choose the platform you want to download from. Here I choose Instagram. Next, I copy the image link that I want to download. I paste it here. Enter the CAPTCHA. Then you can download their entire album. I'll create a folder to save the downloaded images. This website can't download all images at once, but it's free to use. I'll download about 15 to 20 images. You just need to copy the link and paste it here. The image quality will be similar to Instagram. After downloading enough images, I extract the files. I extract each folder one by one to avoid duplicate names. I rename this image list first. Okay, now I have all the images. A full image list like this. You can follow the same steps as me. That's my full guide on downloading Instagram images for free. You can use this method to save images from Instagram. See you all in the next videos.